Good morning, students. Yesterday we started a new lesson, that is fossil fuel, and in that we discussed about natural resources and its types. Now we need to discuss about fossil fuels in details. First of all, the word fossil. What are fossils? Fossils are the remains of plants and animals that got buried under the earth's surface millions of years ago. And fossil fuels such as coal and petroleum, they are the non-renewable sources of energy. They are formed by the burial of plants and animals under the rock, means deep under the rock or under the earth's surface. Now we have to discuss next topic, that is conservation of fossil fuels. Just now we discussed that fossil fuels are non-renewable sources, so they need to be conserved. That means we should use them judiciously, and also we should try to save it so that it will be available to us in the future also. So what are the things we can do to conserve the fossil fuels? We should try to save electricity by switching off the electronic goods when used. Unnecessary use of electrical goods should not be done. Second point, we should avoid using vehicles for long distances. We should use public transport and carpooling. For covering small distances, either we can use a bicycle or we can go by walking. And to save energy, that means petroleum, we should mostly use public transport and opt for carpooling. Now, third point, we should use alternative energy sources like solar energy, wind energy, etc. So these sources of energy are renewable and they can be used anytime and they can be produced anytime. So nowadays human beings are putting more stress on using these alternative energy sources. Advantages of fossil fuels. Why we are using the fossil fuel in large amount compared to alternative energy sources? Till now, till this time, the fossil fuels are present in large amount under the earth's surface. But there is a danger, if we will not conserve it, then it will not be available to our future generations. That's why they need to be conserved. So why we are so much keen in using fossil fuels? These are the various reasons. They have high calorific value. We have already discussed about calorific value. It is the amount of heat energy given when a unit amount of any fossil fuel or any fuel is burnt. So the fossil fuels have a high calorific value. Then second, they are easily available. Third, still they are abundant. The reserve of fossil fuel is abundant. They can be obtained easily and they have high calorific value. These are the reasons that shows us or explains us that fossil fuels are necessary in our day-to-day life and what for they are used. So that's all for today. Rest of the things we will discuss in next class. Thank you.